Extremely popular for wildlife viewing, Lynde Shores Conservation Area has a number of looping trails, 5 km including the 1 km looping trail within the Cranberry West Tract. These trails, especially the Chickadee Trail, are just the right length for little ones and are generally stroller and wheelchair friendly. Established in 1972, the Lynde Shore Conservation Area, about 272 hectares, together with the adjacent Cranberry West Tract, about 40 hectares, provide excellent habitat for nesting birds and are important stopover point for migrating waterfowl and shore birds. Established in 1972, the Lynde Shores Conservation Area is well known for its wildlife viewing opportunities. In addition to their importance to wildlife, both Lynde Creek Marsh and Cranberry Marsh provide many other important functions that are typical of the few remaining coastal wetlands found along this northern section of the Lake Ontario shoreline. As a result, these two marshes are designed for provincially significant wetlands and are part of a long-term study, the Durham Region Coastal Wetland Monitoring Project. It is indeed a very beautiful experience if you go and visit with your family and friends, and for sure the kids will love the Chickadee Trail. Have fun watching!